Hi everybody, it's Generic for 95, and look at the crazy weather we're having right now. I'm glad it's raining right now. Anyway, look at our yard over here. It's flooded. It's flooded before so many times. This isn't the first time. Whoa, did you see that? I'll show you another angle. Whoa, look at that yard. Do you guys see that? It's flooded. We're having a giant rainstorm right now, which is a good thing for the plants and everything. It's been dry lately. I couldn't get to go outside yesterday because of the hot weather. There's the neighbor's pool. Really not sure how much rain we're getting, but it is flooded. Sorry, it's a little blurry, but you get the idea. There's also some hail earlier. There, it's refocused. There goes all the raindrops on the floor, on the ground. I haven't seen a thunderstorm in a long time. Hopefully we're getting all the rain we need. It's so dry up here. Oh, whoa. Sorry. It's kind of relaxing, by the way. But I've seen it flood here before. Lived here for a few years, and I'll show you another angle. Look at the road. Look at the drain spout. It's crazy.
Maybe her songs haven't been as good as all the
And my dog is in my room right now. By the way, one of my roommates has gone. Crap. Sorry. Anyway, to let you know, one of my roommates has gone out to see his grandchildren, one of his grandsons, for his birthday. And I'm just here with one of my roommates, Sally, who's doing some stitching right now. And I'm taking most videos on here now because my phone can't hold much video anymore. Try to make this as high quality as possible, and I think it's working. Anyway, that was the... Oh, we haven't looked out this window yet. There's another angle of the neighbor's flooded yard. You see that? That is all water right there. Basically, the entire yard was flooded. It looks like a lake. Because I live in a floodplain. I'll turn this light on. Oh, crap. There, now we can see better. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the thunderstorm. And hope it was satisfying that we're getting some rain, finally. It's April, for Christ's sake. April showers bring May flowers, right? And we need all that rain. And it was so hot yesterday, I had to install these fans. Because weather is getting bad. Well, we're cooling down now. Oh, bless me. Say hi to the camera, Clover. Yep, that's my dog. She's almost 10 years old. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get going now, and hope you liked the thunderstorm, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye for now.